golden beaches, breathtaking sunsets, and endless laughter, our South Goa family trip was nothing short of magical. Stay with us as we explore the serene side of Goa together. We are heading to Palolem Beach, one of the most beautiful gems of South Goa. Famous for its golden sand and calm blue waters, Palolem is the perfect spot for families looking to relax and enjoy nature. What makes Palolem special is its serene vibe. Unlike the crowded beaches of North Goa, here you'll find peace, space, and a safe shoreline where even kids can play freely. My family loves strolling barefoot on the soft sand while soaking in the sea breeze. Palolem is not just about the beach, it's also about the people. The local fishermen and shacks here give you a taste of authentic Goan life. Fresh seafood, chilled coconut water, and friendly faces everywhere. It truly feels like a different world. And if you're in the mood for adventure, Palolem offers kayaking and boat rides. You can head out to see the tiny islands nearby or even spot dolphins if you're lucky. But the most magical part of Palolem is the sunset. As the sky turns orange and pink, the whole beach transforms into a picture-perfect painting. Sitting together as a family, watching the sun go down, it's a memory we'll always carry with us. Palolem Beach is not just a destination, it's an experience, calm, beautiful, and heartwarming. If you're planning a family trip to Goa, this is one beach you should never miss. We are now at the Basilica of Bom Jesus, one of the most iconic landmarks of Goa. This church, built over 400 years ago, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and holds a special place in history. As we entered, the calmness and silence immediately touched our hearts. The church is famous for preserving the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier, and standing there feels deeply spiritual. The beautiful Baroque architecture, golden altar, and intricate carvings make you pause and admire every detail. Walking inside with family, we felt a mix of peace, awe, and gratitude, as if the walls themselves were telling stories of the past. The Basilica of Bom Jesus is not just a tourist spot, it's an experience that connects you to history, faith, and timeless beauty. For us, it was one of the most meaningful moments of the trip. Heading towards the famous Dona Paula Viewpoint, a place that beautifully blends natural beauty with a touch of legend. Situated where the Mondavi and Zawari rivers meet the Arabian Sea, this spot offers one of the most breathtaking views in all of Goa. As we reached the viewpoint, the cool sea breeze and the endless stretch of blue water instantly lifted our spirits. Standing there with family, gazing at the vast horizon, it felt like time had slowed down. The waves crashing against the rocks below created a music of their own, adding to the charm of the moment. Dona Paula is also known for its romantic folklore, a story of love and sacrifice that locals still share with pride. Listening to this while enjoying the stunning view made our visit even more memorable. For us, it wasn't just about the scenery, but the experience of being together, soaking in the fresh air, and capturing memories against one of Goa's most iconic backdrops. Dona Paula Viewpoint is truly a place where beauty, history, and emotions come together. From here, our journey continues to the next destination, adding more colors and memories to our family trip in South Goa. Now comes one of the most exciting parts of our trip, the food. Goa is not just about beaches and churches, it's also about flavors that stay with you long after the journey ends. Sharing these dishes with family made our experience even more special. We started with the crispy Rawa fried fish, golden on the outside, soft and juicy inside. A perfect bite that instantly gave us the taste of the sea. Next came chicken Xacutti, a rich curry made with roasted spices and coconut. The aroma itself was so inviting, and every spoonful felt like comfort food with a Goan twist. Then we tried Ras omelette, one of Goa's favorite street foods. A simple omelette, served with spicy gravy and bread, yet so full of flavor. It was the kind of dish you could enjoy any time of the day. The chicken Vindaloo stood out with its bold and tangy taste, while chicken Cafreal, marinated with green spices, was smoky, juicy, and unforgettable. Each dish had its own personality, yet all carried the soul of Goa. Of course, we couldn't miss the famous Goan fish Thali, a complete meal with rice, curry, fried fish, pickles, and so many flavors on one plate. And to go along with it, the traditional Goan bread, soft and fluffy, perfect for dipping into all those gravies. Every dish told us a story, of spices, tradition, and culture, but more than that, it was about sitting together as a family, tasting, laughing, and creating memories around the table. Goa's food is more than just a meal, it's an experience that brings people closer. And for us, this food journey was as memorable as the places we visited. The most enjoyable parts of our journey was the car drive itself. Driving through the winding roads of South Goa, surrounded by coconut trees, green fields, and glimpses of the sea, felt like a beautiful adventure in itself. With music playing, conversations flowing, and laughter filling the car, the drive became more than just travel, it became quality time together as a family. Every stop we made, every view we admired from the window, added its own charm to the journey. The freedom to explore at our own pace made the trip even more memorable. It wasn't just about reaching the destinations, but about enjoying every moment on the road. Truly, the car ride gave us memories that we'll cherish forever. And from here, our South Goa trip continues, with more moments waiting to be captured. As our trip to South Goa comes to an end, we carry with us not just photographs and videos, but countless memories that will stay in our hearts forever. From the calm shores of Palolem Beach to the heritage of the Basilica of Bom Jesus, from the breathtaking views at Dona Paula to the rich flavors of Goan food, every moment had its own magic. What made it truly special was experiencing all of this together as a family, laughing, exploring, sharing meals, and simply being present with one another. Traveling showed us once again that it's not just about the destinations, but about the journey and the people you share it with. South Goa gave us peace, joy, and togetherness, a perfect reminder of how beautiful life can be when lived slowly and meaningfully. This was our family's South Goa story, and we hope it inspires you to create your own. Until the next adventure, thank you for being with us.